Next, we have specification 2, which asks us to define a gene as a length of DNA that codes for a protein. A gene is a section of DNA that contains the instructions for making a specific protein. These proteins can include enzymes, antibodies, receptors, or neurotransmitters, all of which are important for the functioning of the body. DNA is the molecule that carries genetic information, and this information is stored in the form of genes. Each gene provides the code needed to produce a particular protein, which in turn helps control the structure and activities of cells. So we write the definition of a gene as a short segment of DNA found on a chromosome. It carries the instructions for making a specific protein and is responsible for determining a particular characteristic of an organism. Therefore, genes are short sections of DNA located on chromosomes that carry instructions for making proteins. In other words, they provide the code needed to produce specific proteins that perform particular functions in the body. Genes control inherited characteristics such as eye color, blood group, and height. Each organism contains many genes, and these genes are arranged in a specific order along the chromosomes. In humans, there are approximately 20,000 to 25,000 genes spread across 46 chromosomes. These genes act like a blueprint for an organism's traits in the past from parents to offspring, which is why children often resemble their parents. Different sequences of bases within genes produce different proteins, and this leads to variation among organisms. A gene can be defined as a length of DNA that codes for a specific protein, such as enzymes, antibodies, receptors, or neurotransmitters. DNA is the molecule that carries genetic information, and it stores this information in the form of genes.